Inhloso leli qembu ukuguqula ukubukeka kwezombusazwe kuleli. Njengoba abantu bakuleli kunzima ukuba bavuke bazithathe, iqembu elisha lize nezethembiso zokufukula abantu bakuleli.
We are here now. Rewrite the rules. Then you protect the democracy from political and moral indiscretion in those who lead. Because you bring people into the system through transparency and rearranging the way that the powers are allocated.
Leli qembu ke libheke ungenela ukhetho ngonyaka ozayo.
Rise Mzansi is registering with the IEC to contest the 2024 elections with a national list across all 9 provinces.
Bebuza ukuthi leli qembu linobulungu obungakanani, uphendule kanje.
Rise Mzansi, and I need to make it clear, we exist for all South Africans. One of the things that we'll never ask anyone who comes into Rise Mzansi is to pay a membership fee. Why should a South African pay any cent to rebuild their country? That's one thing that we are changing.
Leli qembu ke likubeke kwacaca ukuthi aliyona inhlangano iRevenue Circle uzibi ayingxenye yayo.